Welcome to the Simple Maths where we break down complex concept into easy step. I am Sachin and let's get into start. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 divided by 1 upon 3 plus 3, but here 0 divided by 1 upon 3 is final answer is 0 plus 3. This will be expressed by 0 KCF rule, keep, change and flip. So 0 divided change to multiply and flip. Flip means numerator to goes denominator and denominator to goes numerator. So 3 denominator goes to numerator. 3 plus 3 means 3 plus 3 and 0 multiplied by 3 is equal to 0 plus 3 and final answer is 3. But this answer is not correct, this expression. I am sold here to correct answer this expression. So first be PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS rule and board mass. Board mass rule. So P means parenthesis, E means exponents, and multiplication, division and addition are same priority, and subtraction, addition and subtraction also same priority. So solve this left to right. So 3 minus, first will be solve 3 divided by 1 upon 3. So 3, this solve the KCF rule. KCF rules keep, change, flip. So 3 keep, 3 divided by change to multiply and flip 1 upon 3, flip to 3. Numerator 2 goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator, plus 3 and 3 minus, then will be multiplication and division. Multiplication 3 into 3 is minus 9 and plus 3. Here goes to 3 minus 9 and 9 plus 3 will be same priority. So 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 9. Greater number in sign, answer plus 3, and minus 6 plus 3 goes to answer is minus 3. So this expression will be final answer is minus 3.